Hi, Lee from the Driveshaft Shop. Just want to show you our new Direct-fit 2005 and up Mustang drive shafts. Up until now, we've offered them with a 108mm CV and an adapter plate to mount to the rear. Works very well, strong, but in true Driveshaft Shop fashion, we went one step further, had a CV design made by us to fit directly in the factory flange. So up until now, we've been using a 108mm forged CV, very strong, but it's also forged on the ball tracks, not the most precise. So our solution, our new Direct-fit CV. Precision ground internals to the outside housing, perfect center lines, extremely strong, only available from the Driveshaft Shop. You can pick up one of these new Direct-fit Mustang drive shafts available in carbon fiber and aluminum at driveshaftshop.com or DSS dealer near you. Thanks for watching.